is the greatest freaking combo possible for an antique white fan?
This.
Well, you just ruined it. Anyway, this is it right here. Here's a antique white Casablanca Delta 2. That's what Connor calls it, but it's actually Casablanca. This fan I pulled out of a house, but I technically got it off of Facebook Marketplace in St. Louis area. It has a K4B on it, the 1986 design. And there's one of my soft boxes. Ignore it. It has these antique white cane blades on it. Looks pretty good.
It's on It's on an 18-inch downright, I think.
I'd say it.
Yeah, it's 18-inch.
All right, so Andrew, do you want to turn on the switch?
Yeah. The one on the bulbs is a CFL, which really bothers me, but it's fine. It's that one. Yeah.
Oops. 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 I'll just edit that out. We can edit that out.
Okay.
Well, I mean, that bulb deserved no respect at all, so I'm glad it's gone. Here's low. Oh, it's in reverse. It's in reverse.
It has an Astroson motor, and it's actually in pretty good shape with good bearings.
Yeah. Like, the bearings are mint.
So Nolan got 3 of these. They're all antique white with these K4Bs.
But one of them, only one has cane.
Yeah, and he's keeping this one. One is going to me, and the third one is to be decided.
No, it has been decided.
Kind of.
Yes, it's actually been decided.
Okay.
But it's gonna be here for a while. Medium. Should I put this in my bedroom display? Tell me if I should or not. I still can't believe I broke that bulb just because I missed the stupid box. That's funny. Wait, did the CFL part of it survive?
Yeah.
My God.
The shell broke.
I probably didn't get that on camera, but I might just like clip that. All right, here's high. And of course, is my legs in the frame?
No.
Okay, good. Of course, with any Casablanca, it flies.
Really powerful. Good fan.
Yep.
Super nice shape. Actually, 2 of the bulbs are CFLs.
Actually,
Yeah.
should I just go outside and break that one?
Sure.
Yep, we're gonna have to clean that up. Once we finish. Yeah, this fan has very good bearings. So I'd say this is half a spin down, so that's gonna do it for my video. Thank you for watching.